Hello everyone, I'm Sonali and welcome to my channel Aesthetic World with Sonali. Today we are going to review these 3 layers resin tray molds. I got this from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box below. It comes like this, 3 silicone trays with these handles and a screw. Now let's start making something with this. I'll be using the Epoxy Resin Kit. I have done a review of this in my channel. I will leave the link of that video in the description box, and I'll also leave the link of this kit in the description box below. For the detail of this resin kit, you can watch that video.
There's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite. Can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, a fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. Shining forward, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Shining forward, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild.
The mold came off very easily from the resin, which is really good.
You turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie.
So here is the result. I really like the way it has turned out. The quality of the mold is really good. It comes out from the resin very easily. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, be creative, be kind. Bye.
The wind is cold, you must return to the wild.